give you all a little bit of information this week about a common issue that comes up. And what that is that you'll be involved in a car accident and you'll find out that the at-fault driver doesn't have any insurance. And sometimes people think, what now? Am I just out of luck? Or can I even recover? And fortunately, you can still recover. There's a couple different paths that you can look at. And one of those ways that you can recover is that every single policy in the state of Missouri has what's called uninsured motorist coverage. Now, for most people, they have the state minimum coverage, which is unfortunately $25,000 per person. And sometimes it's not enough, but it is designated to pay your medical bills, lost wages, and pain and suffering when the other driver can't. And sometimes there's situations where the other driver just has too little coverage. They may have insurance coverage, but just not enough. And in those situations, sometimes our clients have what's called underinsured motorist coverage. And this is going to kick in when the other driver has some coverage, but not enough to cover all the harms and losses you experienced. And finally, there's also MedPay or sometimes PIP coverage that can cover some of the medical bills that you may suffer. So the truth is that many times people are uninsured or underinsured, but this doesn't mean that you don't have options. It can be important to explore all the insurance options that exist so that you know what your recovery may be. So if this happened to you or someone close to you, don't assume there's no path forward. Even when the outfall driver disappears or doesn't have a dime, you still may be able to recover.